This is Mario with ProDrain Router Service at 2626 Northeast 26th Avenue in Portland, Oregon. Doing an inspection. We're looking at here is just a big pocket of sludge, about 22 feet as far as the camera and the snake will go. So I'm going to pull through this line slowly just to kind of give you a visual as to what we're up against here. So this is 6-inch concrete pipe outside the house, and you see as I pull the camera back through here, we're pushing through that sludge, and it's just full. As we come back a little closer to the house, it'll actually start to close up on itself, kind of like quicksand. So I tried running a snake through there with a 2-inch cutter, and right in this area 22 feet is just as far as it would bore. You know, with the snake you're kind of just going by hand feel about how far you're out, so it's probably between that 20 and 25 foot mark, which is as far as I can push the camera. So next recommendation would be to hydrojet this main line, high pressure water to bore through this blockage and get it softer and liquefy it, and then flush it out to the city line. But this is really thick sludge. So I'm not moving the camera. Camera's just sitting there. You can see it just closing up on itself. And ahead of us you can see the hole that the camera penetrated, which is the same that the snake was doing. Right through here the sludge is softer because the water's been able to soak into it and soften it up. As we get around that 20 to 22 foot mark, it's just so hard. The sludge is just like dried oatmeal. It won't move. It just stays its form. As we get through here, you can see it's just super soft. So once again, I'm going to push the camera out. I'm just going to pull the camera out, and then I'm going to go back out, locate that spot about 22 to 25 feet, see where that is in relationship to the front yard, mark it with white spray paint. But like I said, the next recommendation would be to hydrojet the main line. When we do hydrojet it, there'll be water that comes up out of that floor drain in the little kitchenette downstairs. So recommendation would be to create a berm or some kind of pile or towel berm where the water won't flow into the carpet, and also have a shop vac being used to suck up that extra water. So drop back down this clean out here. I'm going to end recording.